Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to see a private IG account. This is a very simple 3-step guide, so watch the whole video to understand and make sure you make no mistakes. First up, open your Instagram and find the account you want to stalk or see their account. You will see that you'd have to follow them and they'd have to accept you. No need for that. I have a simple solution. All you have to do is open Safari or any other website you have, like Google or Opera. Now, search igmods.com. This should pop up a lot of options, but we want to see a private account. So just tap on the View Private Account. It will take you to another site which you'd have to add the person's IG account and then click on Done. As you can see, it asked me to confirm account, and so I'm gonna do that. And it's gonna start loading. It should load for a bit, and then you'll know their account. There you go, it's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.